welcome to My Clothing Treasure. This is Jyoti Mishra and today I am going to showcase Ghicha Tussar sarees. These are pure Ghicha Tussar sarees, come with silk mark also and ये जो sarees हैं, जितनी भी sarees मैं दिखा रही हूँ, they are kind of always available. If you want in any particular color तो भी आप मुझे बता सकते हैं. I will get it dyed in that color combination. ये सिंगल कलर में भी बन सकता है और कॉन्ट्रास्ट में भी बन सकता है. कॉन्ट्रास्ट का मेरा मतलब है जैसे मैंने अभी ये दिखा रही हूँ पहली साड़ी. ओके, तो साड़ी नंबर 1 यू कैन सी दैट इस पे दिस इज अ वेरी फ्रेश ग्रीन एंड उसके साथ दिस इज रेड. ओके, इट्स अ पिंक टोन रेड. सो ये जो कॉम्बिनेशन है, इसका जो ब्लाउज पीस है दैट इज ऑल्सो इन कॉन्ट्रास्ट. आई शो यू द एंटायर साड़ी. Okay, the entire saree goes like this. You have a zari का border है यहाँ पे and then this is the blouse piece matching the pallu. Okay, so this is called a contrast combination. तो आपको कोई भी color में चाहिए, this can be made. You can just let me know if you like. Okay, then I can get it made. बाकी तो मैं आपको काफ़ी कुछ colors दिखा भी दूँगी so that you get an idea कि combinations कैसे लगेंगे. And I think there are more combination on the website, so do check out on myclothingtreasure.com. and if you have any query or if you want to request any color, then ping me on WhatsApp 8260607401. that's my number. And this saree is priced at 3600. Okay, all these sarees are priced at 3600. in any combination it can be made. Okay, you just have to send me the color and I can get it made. So this is the first saree and you can see the pallu also has zari stripes. It's a beautiful saree, simple, elegant and evergreen. ये sarees बहुत पहले से चलती आ रही हैं और आगे भी चलती जाएंगी. and plain colors के साथ जैसे कि मेरे पास already blouse था, but it's going so well with this. So you can also experiment with the blouse. You can style it differently with sleeveless or experiment a bit with prints also. वो भी बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं. So yes, let's move on to the next saree. Okay, so second saree is in a beautiful neon yellow and pink combination. Both the colors are very bright, so this will be a very apt color for young and young women. बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. and the golden zari border part, it's not very visible here because of the color, it's blending in. but अगर आपको कलर के बारे में कोई भी डाउट है then definitely ping me on WhatsApp and check the pictures on the website. Okay, I have tried to capture the exact color there. So yes, pallu is again similar to the last saree. Price is 3600, silk mark certified, and this is the pallu. Okay, very bright and poppy saree. Okay, so this one is in a solid color. You can see it has a teal blue running pallu just like the saree. and इसका जो blouse piece है that is also in running. but आप ये भी देख सकते हैं कि it is looking really nice with a contrast red blouse. so that is up to you how you are pairing it. The ultimate the end result will definitely vary a lot depending on what kind of blouse you are pairing it with. and this is the blouse piece in running. Okay, and price is again 3600. pure Ghicha Tussar silk, comes with silk mark and you can see the fall. it's really nice. it's not stiff at all. अगर आपको ऐसा लगता है कि टसर की वजह से you feel like it will have some kind of body, then no, Ghicha Tussar है, but it is very free flowing. I'll just show you. and it's very fine tussar also. Okay, it's not very thick. I'll just show you the close up. I hope you can see the fabric. It has a bit of texture here, but it is very free flowing. It's not stiff at all. See? Okay, so this one is in an onion pink. It has a bit of purple tone, so do check the pictures on the website for accurate colors. and if you have any query, please ping me on WhatsApp. I will definitely share pictures or videos. and इसका जो blouse piece है that is also in contrast like the pallu. and ये बहुत ही अच्छा लगेगा अगर आप इसको इसी के blouse के साथ pair करेंगे तो it will look amazing. Again, the pallu has the same work. Okay, let's move on to the next one. So this is again another single color sari, and the color is very deep, बहुत ही deep chocolate coffee color I can say. थोड़ा सा इसमें हल्का सा maroon का touch है, हल्का सा you can see chocolate and coffee. It's a very यूनिक कलर. इस कलर को मैं बहुत अच्छे से आपको डिस्क्राइब नहीं कर पा रही हूँ, बट डू डेफिनेटली इट्स लुकिंग सेम एज द एग्जैक्ट कलर. एंड आप पिक्चर्स भी जरूर से चेक करें, स्पेशली विद दिस घिचा टसर का जो टेक्सचर है. दिस टेक्सचर इज गोइंग सो वेल विद दिस साड़ी. बहुत ही सुंदर साड़ी. एंड इस पे भी ब्लाउज जो है दैट इज इन रनिंग. आई विल शो यू. प्राइस इज 3600. And shipping is free throughout India. If you want to order via cash on delivery, then that is available for 50 rupees extra. This is the blouse, okay, in running. But yes, agar aapko you can pair it with a golden blouse as well, and black bhi pair kar sakte hain, ya fir beige blouse, that will also look nice. It totally depends on your taste. Again, another unique color combination, fresh green ke sath purple. Okay, and right now the color is not looking warm enough. ये थोड़ा सा yellow toned green है. Okay, this is warm toned green, it's not cool toned. अभी थोड़ा सा इसका color जो है थोड़ा सा warm नहीं लग रहा मुझे. So do check. Yeah, right now it is showing similar, color is kind of coming close, but it is still not the exact shade. तो डेफिनेटली चेक द पिक्चर्स, बिकॉज वीडियो में नहीं आ पा रहा कैमरे पे. इट्स नॉट गेटिंग प्रॉपरली कैप्चर्ड द एग्जैक्ट कलर. सो यस, द ब्लाउज इज ऑल्सो इन पर्पल. एंड इन साड़ीज में आपको जो भी कलर चाहिए, एनी कलर दैट यू वांट, एनी कलर कॉम्बिनेशन, इफ यू वांट इन सॉलिड कलर या फिर अगर कॉन्ट्रास्ट में चाहिए, लेट मी नो, आई विल मेक इट. ओके, आई विल मेक इट फॉर यू. एंड द प्राइस इज अगेन 3600. And let's move on to the next one. Okay, so this is the last sari, and in a combination of mustard yellow and pink. इससे पहले I just I had shared that neon yellow, but this is mustard. Again, ये color अभी I don't know what is happening with the camera today, but the colors are not coming properly. Okay, ये जो color आपको दिख रहा है इससे एक tone dark आएगा, and it's a very beautiful color for our Indian complexion. Mustard yellow बहुत ही अच्छा लगता है सारी skin tones पे, and with the combination of pink, इसका जो vibe है that is very festive, simple, classy and festive. and fall तो आप देख ही रहे हैं. इसका भी जो blouse piece है that is in pink, matching the pallu. but again I'll just mention that ये सारी sarees in whatever color combination you want can be made. Okay, बहुत ही अच्छी लगेंगी सारे. if you want to experiment and combine to unusual colors, go all out for it. Usually सारे combinations अच्छे ही लगते हैं. That is my learning from the banana silk sarees, because वो तो इतने combinations में आते हैं, and when I actually see it on me, I realize कि सारे combinations अच्छे ही लगते हैं. and the unique the combination, the better it is, because फिर वो common नहीं रहता. So yes, this is the blouse piece. This is the pallu. This zari border you are getting in blouse piece as well. Okay, and with that I will close this video. Price I will mention again, 3600. You can buy from my website myclothingtreasure.com, or you can buy from the app sarees by My Clothing Treasure. अगर आपको कोई queries है, do ping me on WhatsApp 8260607401. That's my number. And yes, we do have cash on delivery option too. And for international orders, the actual shipping cost will be applicable. And if your booking amount is more than 30,000, then shipping is free internationally. Okay, with that, let's move on, and I'll see you back in another video very soon. Okay, bye.